Alright, we're here at Indian Rocks Beach Nature Preserve in the wilds of Florida. So I'm just going to take you for a little walk through here. It's a pretty cool park, and it is right next to the vacation rental that I just showed you. They got little info plaques there, all kinds of mangroves. If you go read the blog at Florida-beachrentals.com has a blog. If you go read it, it tells you all about these mangroves. Pretty cool. This is what a lot of the coastline of Florida looks like naturally. You don't want to mess with it because it's keeping all the land in place. Little minnows in there. That's definitely salt water though. Those are all mangrove roots popping up. There's a little picnic shelter over there. Thanks, Erica. It's definitely a peaceful walk through here. You can see birds in here if you're sharp or patient. And there's little crabs walking around everywhere. More info for you there. Alright, here's a little, not a pond, more like a, well, I don't want to call it a backwater. Kind of what it is, but anyway, a lot of mangrove roots popping up in there, and there's definitely fish in there. And all those winds that we had at the beach aren't touching me in here because these bushes break it right up. There's enough fiddler crabs in here to, I don't know, fill a dump truck. Here's some of those spindly roots that you see in a different kind of mangrove. There's two different kinds growing in here. Those big, long roots are a different kind than those little pointed ones that are poking up in there. We are right next to an apartment complex. That's where you hear that truck over there. Alright, you can see some dry mud here. Definitely a lower tide right now. I haven't seen a crab yet in here though. Last time I walked there were hundreds of them. Oh, I almost stepped on one. They're hiding. Oh, here comes one. Okay, take a look at that railing on your right. There's a little something crawling on it, and he's gone. There's a little, oh, look at that little teeny bird in there. You can see him. Little small thing. Oh, there's two of them. There's one up there too. Well, they're flying away. About the size of mice. Alright, if you hang in there, we're about to get to the water out here. Get a view of an intercoastal channel out here. Uh-oh. Oh, good. I thought we were at a dead end. Okay, guys, here we go. Just a couple seconds more. little gloomy thanks to Michael over on the East Coast. Hope everything goes well over there. Actually, it's a whole lot of coastline. All right, and here we are. This definitely feeds out to the Gulf of Mexico. Definitely cool for boating. I'm a kayaker, so I would love to get out here. Whole lot of places you can go in a kayak out on this coast that you can't go in a boat just because of the draft. Alright, and there you have it. This is our coastline. If you headed that way in your boat, you'd wind up out in the Gulf of Mexico. A little windy. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Not sure if I'm doing another video today, but you can keep watching. If you miss these live, you can always see them on our YouTube channel, Florida Beach Rentals YouTube. And if you subscribe there, you get notified when new ones pop up. And somebody drew an octopus on here. Check that out. Huh.